Okay, so we're going to take a look at an app by Mobile Montessori, and this is called Number Sequencing, What Comes Before, After and In Between, Montessori Approach to Math. And it's a really simple to use app that basically works on what comes before a number, what comes after a number, and what comes between two numbers. So I'll show you how that works in 1 second. If we look at the information here, it tells you a little bit about the company and how to use the app. You can also look at some other apps they have here. You can email them and follow them on social media. Let's go back out and let's start to have a look through the app. So we've got 3 areas: before, after and in between. Let's start with before. 3 different areas of numbers: 1 to 39, 40 to 79, 80 to 99. So for example, if we just pick 1 to 39, what you'll see is a grid of numbers, four lines, 4 columns, and the idea is to highlight a number. So let's say we highlight this one. We're looking for the number that comes before. So what comes before? Up here we're looking for the number 4, and we have to find it in this selection of numbers up here, and you simply touch that number
4
and it'll repeat that and it'll go into its place, and you continue to go through that until you've completed it. If we do 14, so we'd have to find the number 13 and so on, and 30 and
16 6.
So it's a really simple way to work on the numbers that come before those numbers. Now in the bottom right you'll see that it tells you how many you've got correct and how many you've got incorrect. If you touch a square and you're looking for number 39, but let's say you get 37, you'll come up with 1 incorrect there. And you complete that, you go through that until you complete that. Let's go back out. You can do the same for all groups of numbers there, works exactly the same way. Let's show you the next one. Now we're going to look at numbers that are after. Choose a different base here, so 89 to 99. 80 to 100, or 99 here. And the same thing, so we're looking for the number that comes after. You simply touch the square. We're looking for the number 84. You go over here and you select
84.
the number. And you continue to go through each of these until
91.
Again, you finish those. The same thing down the bottom here. If we find the number 89 here, I can show you.
90.
Correct 3, incorrect 0 so far, because we haven't got any incorrect, but that works exactly the same. Let's go back out and show you the final one. And then we have in between, which is exactly how it sounds. So we're looking for the number in between. So for example, 64 to 66, if we click on this, we're looking for 65. And we'll locate that number over here. Once we do that,
65.
We can touch it and put it in place, and you'll complete those columns as you go. Again, it will tell you what's correct and what's incorrect down the bottom once you clear some of the numbers out of the way. And that's how it works. Now you can go back to the home screen at any time and start over. So a really simple way of introducing before, after and in between numbers for kids. A nice simple interface, and again beautifully done by Mobile Montessori. Number sequencing, what comes before, after and in between, Montessori approach to math. Check it out.